Yeah, man. Nature dance now, man. Hey, 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 hey. Rasta Israel, where you do? Hey, 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 hey. Good it, good it. Hey, 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 hey. Israel, Israel, Israel. Hey, 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 hey.
Drummer, son, the great
Carlton Barrett.
Carlton Barrett.
Where say him be?
The son of Carlton Barrett.
Alright, so the MC.
Okay.
then, man.
MC.
Yeah,
See,
this is the son of
Beer
Earl
legend.
Barrett.
Yeah,
You understand?
From Whalers.
Yeah.
yeah.
Bob
Nice to
Marley
meet
and
you.
Wailers.
The Wheelers
Yeah.
and Mr. Bob.
You know what? Give me a freestyle.
Give my girl.
Your love get out of hold of me.
Woo!
Your sweet love get a hold on me.
Yeah.
Hear me tonight when the feeling is right. Let's make love till morning light.
Hey.
Your love got a hold on us, you understand?
Yeah. So Nature, give us the tour.
Well, what happened, you know? We are in the yard. We in the yard. And we talk about in the yard, we talk about Earl Chinna Smith. We talk about the greatest of greatest musicians pass through here. You understand? To create music and all that vibe.
4 minutes already.
See? So, yeah man, he's a great engineer as well. Cooking up some musical dish right over there as well.
Yeah, man.
Nah, man, vibration. Israel Rasta.
Bless Israel.
I wish you strong.
Yeah, hear you.
Rastafari. Give thanks for all this.
Just make it natural, mistake, man.
Yeah, man.
Just natural, no complain.
Yeah, man.
So you see,
See,
in
please.
the yard, it also have a band. The official band, you know what I mean? So I didn't portray that as well, you know what I mean? But you don't know, in the yard consists of a whole heap of musicians. So you see 5 musicians in this gathering are going to play represent, but tomorrow you see them got another place, but you see 3 other musicians that you didn't see in the band, or 2 that you didn't see, or 5 things, because it's a movement. You understand what I mean? I say, you know, edited by Earl Chinna Smith and thing, you know what I mean? I don't know, such a legendary person and figure, because as I said, from the Bob Marley to the Dennis Brown to all these great names.
To the Nature Ellis.
You know, Nature Ellis. I and I are young up, oh, yeah, Nature Ellis as well, of course. You know what I mean? You name it. Chinna Smith. And who don't work with him before, he had inspired them as well. Because, you know what I mean? As I would have said, the proof is in the pie or the pudding or something, you know what I mean? So, most of the music that we love so much, when I really check the thing and check the front ground, the side ground, and the background, you find out that Chinna Smith played a role in creating some of his music.
What's a dance, Nature?
Yeah.
Him stop the music. We didn't want him for dance.
If I follow you, though.
Play the music when Nature was a little Rasta dance, man.
Yeah, every dance, when it's a Rasta the dance, it's a Rasta dance.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
Again, Nature say.
This is one of the king of reggae.
How much album you did it?
Let me say, Chelsea have played on over 500 albums for Amy Winehouse, Bob Marley, Ziggy Marley, Jimmy.
You see a question like that,
name it.
it's like you ask
Only
me how much
Dennis
straw in
Brown.
that ear, you know, man.
Exactly.
Come start counting them one by one. Come start now.
One.
There's not an artist in reggae that Chinna really not play for. You know?
All right, y'all play with me next.
I like that. Spontaneous.
I tell you, you see, just years ago, I look for my mother living in Florida.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my sister, smaller sister, she said, Chinna, who you play with now? You're my answer. I play with myself. But not like that. yeah. So I big playing it. Yeah. So,
But I mean, next me serious, me not joke.
so when you talk about play with you,
Yeah.
one big statement, but I understand.
Me know, you know what me mean.
All right, good. And it's clear. Yeah.
With music.
Yeah. It's clear, you know.
Good music.
Make our mad place, you know, you don't want to be misunderstood, you know. Because some people just really.
Me a Tyrolian now.
You know,
Chasing
head
a
over
baby
heels
for
with the
the
thing, you know.
Mhm.
And I hit that, you know. I just how it
Legend
sound.
there.
You understand?
Yeah, me I go play music with you.
Anyway, just terms it a certain way. You know?
We like when you say
Yeah.
you're clear. We alright.
Yeah. See?
Go go
God music. You must stay.
Israel, bossy.
The most ancient man was up in my back of my mind and I search for a virtuous man in these modern times.
Pam pam stand stand
Send out a Naomi Chacha, bless me with a woman like Ruth, one of them woman like Sarah Jaja, good woman Rasta want fi have him youth. Send forth a Naomi Jaja, bless me with a woman like Ruth, one of them woman like Sarah Jaja, good woman Rasta want fi have him youth. Enough get good woman and no. Left them princess a yard and pick up concubine a dough.
Hey.
I know, enough of the woman them never did that think. That's why enough of them go run up in a things. Rasta man chant. Me a tell the real a good woman me want. Since you like me granny, full like me aunt, well beautiful like Jerusalem plant. Rasta man a chant, me sing again. Send forth a Naomi Jaja, bless me with a woman like Ruth, one of them woman like Sarah Jaja, good woman Rasta want fi having youth.
Youth.
My love, favorite song.